morning we're in Haugesund today. I can't really pronounce it, sorry. But we've arrived. We've had a buffet breakfast this morning. It is busy, but we're used to buffets and all different kinds of restaurants. We went to the Quays and it was closed. We went at 10 o'clock, so I think the Quays shuts at 10 or half 10. So you can hear Holly. There she is. How are you today, Holly? You got a cold, haven't you? Show them your mini. There's a really good kids shop. They have sweets and they have these little toys. So that was about £5 they are. But you collect them, don't you? So you're quite happy about that.
Yeah, I had
Popcorn. Oh, there's boat trips. That'd be good. That's support. Like the excursion stands are over there. Oh, so we're gonna have a look what there is. There's a nice ship over there. Maybe a boat tour. We've got off the boat and there's hop on buses, or you can get the land train. So we're gonna do the bus today. Stop free on the bus. You've got a monument there and the electric tides the horses. It's actually a 20 to 25 minute walk from here along the coast, and it's meant to be quite a beautiful view. So if you want to do that, stop free. So we've come to the Quays for lunch. So you can have Asian fusion, fish and chips, or American. So we've had American. Is it nice, Holly? Yeah. Got fried chicken, chips, and then there's a buffet, isn't there? A little buffet with salads, birds, and cakes, and tea and coffee, but there's only water, so you have to order the drinks. Yeah. Daddy's come back. Dan's come back. What have you had?
Katsu chicken curry. Ah, well, nice. You gonna eat them all?
Fish and gherkins. Penguin.
Looks nice.
Cheers. Do you like it? Yeah. Back up to our room, just having a chill. I'm having a lie down. I got the chockies from the snack cupboard that we've got. And Holly has her toys and has made a den. Let's say hi to Holly. Oh, it's a big den. Hello. Good den. How to entertain your kids in the cabin. And it's just time for sit down, cup of tea and a cake, because why shouldn't we eat more food? We got another beautiful day. The port. Nice hot tubs. Just gonna take Holly to kids club so Mummy and Daddy can have some time to ourselves. So we're just gonna go to the Beachcomber pool. It's adults only, which is nice if you want to just be on your own, away from the kids for a little bit. And it's lovely. It's got a bar and nice views, pool. So we're just going to enjoy. Let's get one of these. the beach corner. We're ready for a swim.
You say?
I just spilled all my coffee really on Dan and did it again.
I feel in danger. I'm in danger.
And this is my first drink. Dan got
Strawberry daiquiri.
I got a latte with Baileys. Look at that view. Nice. Good morning. So today we're going to go to Kristiansand. I think it's pronounced like that. Dan and Amy have gone on a water rafting experience, so that should be fun to see. Me, Holly, my mum and Sim are going into the city. Just wearing a nice flowery summer dress today. So see you over there. Come to the buffet this morning. It's Sim's birthday. He's got his birthday breakfast cake, haven't you, Sim?
Yeah.
Yummy. It's a bit hectic this morning. A bit rammed, isn't it? Got the fish market over there. Just get off the boat and follow the crowd of people. I'll go to the right. So we just decided to go on the land train that takes you around Kristiansand city. You can get off on stops and get back on. That looks like a princess church. I can film you if you like. Just be aware that we went at lunchtime and a lot of people that went early wanting to get back on. You'll see the queues. So just be aware that you might have to wait or you might have to walk back. So we've just got on the land train in Kristiansand, I think it's called. It's nice, it just takes you around the city and the harbour. It's about 20 minutes. There they are, go back on the boat. She's come to Pearl for lunch. Sim, birthday boy. What are you having, Simeon, for lunch?
I'm having leek soup and I'm having crab.
Oh, nice. And Mum's having the same. Holly's having fish fingers. A leek and onion soup for a starter. Holly's got her chicken nuggets, chips and peas. Poor people. Oh no, it's pouring down. Hopefully they'll get time back to the ship without getting soaked. Oh no. Run! Run, Forrest. Crab salad. Just doing a bit of shopping. I would go in there. So we've come to the Keel and Cow for Simeon's birthday. Special treat. There we are, Amy, Harold, Sim, birthday boy, 21 years young. Mom and Dan. Now, if you come into the Keel and Cow with children, they don't have a children's menu, but they did say that you can go to the quays, which is around the corner, which I've done, and I've got Holly her food. So you're happy now, aren't you? Yeah. Keeps them quiet. So, cheers everyone. Happy birthday. Oh, so the starters have come. We've had the share of cheese. Amy's had, what have you had? Sticky duck drumsticks with bao buns. And what Sim had. Chicken terrine. Mum's saving herself for the main. So we've got a 10-ounce steak, and I've had surf and turf. There we go. Pie, and Amy and Sim they've had the tomahawk. Tomahawk. Yummy. Oh. And Mum's had a pie, steak and ale pie.
That's it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh, Rosie would be after you for that now. Think about it. Fantastic birthday tomahawk steak.
Is a sea day. We're heading back home. We're sad. It's the last day. So I'm going to go to the spa, and then Dan's going to join me. There he is. Holly's with Nanny. She's looking after Holly this morning. So see you later.
Voices only. I need to hear everyone ask.
You get your face paints. You're a pirate.
I just think the toy dog back. My name is Minnie.
Yarr.
I just tend to be a dog.
So we've just collected Holly from Mum. She's had a good time at the clubhouse, had her face painted, and we've come here for lunch. So you've got all your pizzas, salads, and things, and it's a Taste 360, I think. Oh, let's enjoy these pizzas. So it's the last day. We've had a nice time. Me and Dan and Amy went to the spa, and Mum had Holly for the morning. That was lovely. I would recommend it. Got a whirlpool and sauna and steam rooms, and had a treatment. It was beautiful. It's actually nice to have a break. We're just going to the Olive Grove tonight. Holly went to Kids Club this afternoon. Kids Club's amazing. So basically you have slots every day. Make sure you go on about 8:30, 9. It's not kids' holidays now, so it's not so busy. So if it's kids' holidays, as soon as it opens at 8:30 in the morning, I'd get on it and get your sessions booked. You can always book them and cancel them, so it's fine if you want to do more. There's one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Holly has done face painting today, so she enjoyed that, and there's discos. So make sure you register them, get in the slots while you can. So go online to My Holiday and get them booked in, because they'll have a good time. So see us. So we're all dressed up, aren't we? For the final time, Dan's looking dapper. No?
Smart casual. Smart casual.
Smart casual, there he is. Handsome hubby.
Lovely.
Just coming into, where are we?
I don't know, let's have a look. We've got the bow camera on at the minute, but if we go...
It's been quite smooth sea, so...
It's like a mill pond like that, to be
Yeah,
honest. It says we're due into port at 7 AM, but I think we're probably going to be there tonight, because if you look, and then you can see up here where we've been. So stop 2 there was Stavanger. Stop 3 was Oldham. Stop 4, where did we go 4th?
I don't know, Kristiansand? Haugesund?
Yeah, whatever that is. Some word I can't pronounce. And then yeah, number 5 was Kristiansand, wasn't it? And then obviously all the way back down. I think so. Be a good van trip, that one. But yeah.
To come to the Olive Grove. It's actually included, but get on to the virtual queue to book, or you can book it in advance because it's quite popular. So you had a trio of starters so that we could all share. We can all share those, they're really delicious. Got cornbread. And then for the main I had lamb tagine. Dan had lasagna. Mum's had the hanging kebab, sharing it with Holly. Holly's an animal. Amy's had pasta. And Sim's had the pizza, and it's absolutely delicious. What's Holly found? A duck.
Can I take it home?
Oh. Oh. Quack, quack. So people hide ducks for children to find. I know. to go home, so you have to be at your cabin for 8.
Have you got any
Last time on the balcony.
Boo.
Yeah.
I know, it's come off. Not a papers anymore.
We're just having our last breakfast in Pearl. This is a full breakfast, so you just choose what you want off the menu and they bring it out. Lovely. So we're just waiting for our boarding time, which we have been given. We're just having a sit and then we will go and get off the boat and fetch the car. Leave you with a lovely holly face to say goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Bye.